आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि साइकोलॉजी जो है वो कौन से बच्चे ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं? व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट कि कौन से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्या इसके लिए पहले से आपके पास कोई प्रायर डिग्री होना ज़रूरी है, जैसे कि साइंस में हो आपका मैट्रिक या कुछ इस तरह का? और सेकेंडली, किस तरह के जो इंटरेस्ट के बच्चे हैं उनको साइकोलॉजी ऑप्ट करना चाहिए?
Acha, Amber, we have BS Psychology, ADP, MPhil, ADCP, and now we are going to start MS Clinical Psychology, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह।
For BS program, eligibility criteria is that students must have FA, FSC, ए लेवल्स और ये लोग आ सकते हैं बी एस साइकोलॉजी में एंड उसकी लिए ये कंपलसरी नहीं है दे हैव एफ एस सी और वट एवर दे हैव साइंस और आर्ट्स दे कैन ज्वाइन अस फॉर द बी एस साइकोलॉजी प्रोग्राम. And for MPhil and for the ADCP, they must have a degree of BS Psychology.
ठीक है। ऐसे जो ये कौन से तरह के लोग हैं, जैसे एक बहुत मिसकंसेप्शन बना हुआ है कि ओनली एम्पैथेटिक पीपल या साइकोलॉजी पढ़ने के बाद जो है आपके करियर पाथ्स बहुत लिमिटेड हो जाएंगे। आप सिर्फ काउंसलर बन सकते हैं या आप सिर्फ क्लिनिकल साइड पे जा सकते हैं। आई वुड लाइक यू टू पुट सम लाइट ऑन इट कि अब कैसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं इन द मार्केट, और बच्चे कैसा अर्न कर सकते हैं आफ्टर दैट, और व्हाट आर द करियर पाथ्स दे विल हैव आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग साइकोलॉजी?
There are many career paths. There are many opportunities after taking the degree in psychology, and especially if you have MPhil or MS degree, there are multiple fields and there are multiple subfields in the psychology where you can serve as a psychologist. If we start from the health sectors, you can serve in hospitals as well and in clinics, not only in public but also in private sector. There are different rehabilitation centers. You can work there as a clinical psychologist. In Pakistan, we have vacancies in every public hospital as a clinical psychologist. And after that, if we consider education department, you can serve as a professor, as a lecturer, as a researcher, or as a coordinator as well. And there are different clinical settings. You can have your own clinical setup as well. There are different organizations in which you can serve as an HR manager, and because there is a field of organizational psychology, so you can serve in the banking sector as well. And in Pakistan, we have vacancies in army, in navy, in military, in police department. There are clinical psychologists, and especially in prisoner settings, every jail has own psychologist who are serving as the clinical psychologist and who are working for the mental health of the prisoners as well. So there are many fields in which you can go and you can serve as a psychologist.
सो ये जो एक दैट्स अ मिथ बस्टर फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल कि आप सिर्फ जो है आपको क्लाइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे या आप जॉब्स उस तरह से नहीं है। सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ करियर्स दे कैन गो इनटू।
आज के टाइम में ये कहना क्लाइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे तो इट्स नॉट सूटेबल बिकॉज
हाँ।
द सिचुएशन स्पेशली इन आवर कंट्री देयर इज़ वेरी अनस्टेबल सिचुएशन, नॉट ओनली पॉलिटिकल बट फाइनेंशियल एज वेल. पॉवर्टी
यस।
लेवल बहुत हाई है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत हाई है. हम लोगों में टॉलरेंस लेवल जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लो हो चुका है, जिसकी वजह से फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, दीज टाइप ऑफ disorders are very common. And now we have the awareness that we should visit a psychologist just to improve our mental health. So now the people know that mental health is as important as our physical health.
यस।
So they visit the psychologist and just to have a feeling of happiness, just to have a better life, and just to understand the people in their surroundings as well.
ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक यू टू शेयर कि जो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सदर्न पंजाब है, वट आर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, और हाउ इज़ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सदर्न पंजाब साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्राम अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ द रीजन?
Yes, there are different opportunities that we have and different facilities we have. Amber, psychology is not just a profession. It's a lifelong journey of
Yes.
understanding human behavior, because finally we are living with humans. And if we know the human behavior, we can deal with them more effectively. And we can have a real impact on the lives of others in community and in our surroundings as well. And if we talk about the Department of Psychology at University of Southern Punjab, we are having high qualified foreign qualified PhD faculty here, and we have state of the art classrooms with multimedia projects, and every facility is there. And we have different labs. We have experimental lab and testing lab as well, and we have auditoriums, and we have central library, and we have different facilities for the extracurricular activities at University of Southern Punjab, Multan. And how we are different from the others is that we are actually following the activity based learning model in Department of Psychology,
That's
and
great.
not only in psychology, in USP as well. And this is what make us unique from the others. In every semester, students have to work on a project of every subject in every semester, and we are providing hands-on trainings to the students. Actually, we are trying to apply theoretical knowledge in the practical world. We are not providing the psychology in theories and all that. We are applying this in the real world. So we are giving them exposure of practical knowledge. We have the internship opportunities for the students as
That's
well.
great.
And we have the counseling center in Department of Psychology, and that counseling center is providing free counseling services to all the students in the faculty of University of Southern Punjab. And this is the center that is providing a platform to our students to apply their knowledge. And we are arranging different international conferences, seminars, symposiums, just to give a global exposure, global knowledge toward the students. And there are different extracurricular activities that we arrange in every semester. There are mental health awareness programs and multiple type of activities that students are that we engage our students in those activities.
Okay.
So, if you want a high quality education, and especially cost effective education, because this region is not like, we cannot compare South Punjab to the Upper Punjab in finances as well. So, this university is actually serving in the hub of the South Punjab, in the heart of the South Punjab, not only the quality education but also cost effective education as well. Now students don't need to go in other cities for a good education.
That's great. It means that when the student will reach their career, तो उनके पास already वो practical knowledge होगा जिसको वो अपने career में apply कर सकते हैं और उसमें
Yes.
excel कर सकते हैं. Lastly, अगर आप जो बच्चे हमें join करना चाहते हैं, जो students हमें join करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए आप कोई message अगर देना चाहें तो we would love that.
उनके लिए मैसेज यही है कि अगर आप चाहते हैं दैट यू आर नॉट ओनली ग्रेजुएट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी एंड यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, देन कम एंड विजिट आवर एडमिशन डिपार्टमेंट. आवर एडमिशन डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑलवेज देयर. वी आर ऑलवेज देयर. मी बीइंग एज अ chairperson of psychology department is there. If you have any question regarding your degree, regarding scope of psychology, or if you have any confusion about the field of psychology, you people are always welcome. Come and join us.
Thank you. Thank you so very much for your time, ma'am.
Thank you.
You.